was at Harvey's, right?
It's crazy. What a choice doing anything, huh? Wait, it's another 6'4", dude.
I said that too.
Do you want me to take a picture of it?
Dude, nice. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. I didn't even know. Another one of these, man. Another one of these.
Switch direction when I realized how expensive it would be to build a 900 horsepower supercharged.
Yeah.
This was actually much cheaper and more drivable.
What's the tranny? Like what?
It's 6 speed coming.
Oh. I guess so, yeah. I see the badge. 6.4 liter RT. Powered by SRT. Look at that. Phenomenal. That's cool. That's cool. That's the second one I've seen. I'm assuming the drivability is like spot on, like compared to the old, like a carb one, right? Right? Yeah.
It's all hooked up to the old stuff. It's got the reverse fucking thing though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Cool. That's awesome. Go that one. That's a big intake though, right? Temperature gauge, cap, everything.
That's the tire there.
What?
That's the vent there.
Oh yeah. I wonder how much it is for this package. It's gotta be less than 30. Huh?